Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, go into Messages app and click on one of your chats. In my case, this one. Then click on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner and tap on your photos that you wish to add. You can also click on Folders section and then hold the photo that you wish to add. Maybe this one. Over here, you need to tap on Select at the top right corner in order to add it. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully attached. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!